So you got one of these, and you got some of these, or maybe you got some of these, or even these, and you want to charge them. You can get one of these, but if you got one of these, maybe you want one of these. Pretty simple. If you get the BT20, you also get PH20. If you get the GNB27 version, you also get PH20. Yeah, it's got this giant knob up here, and if you like those clicker flicky sort of things that the kids were playing with a few years ago, this kind of has that same feeling to it. Got a nice snap, a nice click, a solid feel to it. It is metal. We have our fuse right here in the middle. You want to charge 3 of these. Turn it to 3S because we've started with the first 2 3 batteries. Now we can charge, discharge, storage charge, or even destroy, depending upon the features that your charger has. Maybe I'm going to fly my Weebleed FPV 300s in the BT20 connector. Make sure I've got it to 6S because I got all 6 batteries plugged in. And you see the charger already knows, hey, that's 6S. You cannot use both the PH2 and the top connector, whether it's the GNB27 or the BT20 at the same time. You've got to pick one, but you can mix and match. So you can do GNB, PT20, PT20, GNB. You can mix and match. Just one per port. Of course, I would be remiss if I didn't mention where I think a good portion of this all started with Fractal Engineering. They also have their boards, if you can get them in stock. Flying Sandal, my version is the 4-port version. There's now a V2, which I think goes up to 6. And you may have gotten one from Happy Model when you bought one of their products, just free in the box. But this one you have to fill up. There's no selection on it. A couple of cautions about using these series boards is don't mix and match your size of batteries, and also make sure the voltage is relatively close from one battery to the next. You don't want to have a huge range. Could cause problems. It's probably safe, but if you're concerned, do a deep dive on Oscar Liang's website. Either version of these seem to come in around $15 or $16, depends on where you buy it. I bought my first one from Pyrodrone, so of course they should have it. Links in the video description if you want to find your favorite shop that sells one of these ViFly Whoop Series boards. Get out there and fly your hoops, because winter is just about here. If you have any comments, questions, suggestions, or otherwise, please let me know in the comment section below. I appreciate your time. Thanks for watching.